Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss another important SQL query. So let's see the question first, then we'll see its different approaches and its code. So now what is given in the question? So write an SQL query to find employees who have the highest salary in each of the department and return its result. So the result table we can return the result table in any order. So now see the example. So what is given? So we are given one employee table and one department table, and we have to return the highest salary of each department as an output with their employee names. So if we see in the employee table, there are 4 columns are present: ID, name, salary and department ID. And in the department table, there are 2 columns are present. So first column is ID, second is name. And as we know that here in the employee table, the ID is the primary key, and there is a foreign key present in this table. So the foreign key of this table is department ID. Why this department ID is foreign key? Because in the department table, the ID of the department table are matches with this department ID of the employee table. So that's why these they are maintaining a relationship between the department table ID and employee table department ID. So that's why the department ID is the foreign key for this table. And now each row of table indicates the ID, name, salary of an employee, and it also contains the ID of that department. So let me wrap this up. So we have, so far we have identified what would be our primary key, what would be our foreign key, and now we will see the output. So what we need to return. So as in the output, we have to return the department name, employee and salary. So the department for IT department, the employee name is Jim and the salary of Jim is 9,000. So if we observe carefully, there are 2 employees in the IT department whose salaries are same. So Max has same salary and Jim has same salary, and both of them are belongs to IT department as their ID is 1. And sales, we have only one, Henry. Okay, so let me, so this should be the output. It was hidden. So Jim and Max has the highest salary for IT department, and the sales, Henry is the highest salary in the sales department. So there are many ways to solve this query, but I will discuss only once. I will discuss with join operation. So we can use like a window function to solve this question, window function, and we can use join here. We can use subquery approach. So there are many ways. So let's discuss about the solution using join. Alright, so this is the query. This is the query for this question. So I'm explaining every lines how it will work. So for this query, see this query up to this, it will make one structure like this one. So as per the output, it will create one structure like department, employee and salary. So this would be our output table structure. And this array, this AND operator, this AND operator, what it will do, it will filter the record based on this subquery. So it will filter the records based on this subquery, and what this subquery will give us? This subquery will give us the maximum salary from each department. So when these let me change this color quickly. Okay, yeah, so when this first query will execute, then we'll get this structure, and this will give the maximum of each department maximum salary of each department employee, and this AND operator will filter those record, and finally we will get the values of this table. So for IT, the employee will come first, the Jim. So Jim, and the salary of Jim is 90,000. Then for sales, the employee will come Henry. So the salary for Henry is 80,000. And for IT, the employee will come Max. So his salary is also 90,000. So that's it. So this would be our output. Now quickly let's check whether it's running or not. Yeah, it's running perfectly fine. Let's submit it. Okay, it got submitted. So that's all for today. If you have any query or any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section and give your feedback, please. All right, okay then, bye.